A brain tumor diagnosis raises hard questions. Here's what surgery actually involves, from the operating room to recovery. Brain tumor surgery is an operation to remove abnormal tissue, take a sample for diagnosis, or relieve pressure inside the skull. Doctors consider surgery when a tumor is accessible, causing symptoms, or when tissue is needed to confirm the exact diagnosis. The most common approach is a craniotomy, temporarily opening a small section of skull to reach and remove the tumor. Surgeons also use endoscopic approaches through the nose for pituitary tumors and small keyhole openings for deeper targets. When tumors sit near speech or movement areas, surgeons may keep the patient awake during removal to protect these functions. Before surgery, teams use detailed MRI mapping, blood tests, and multidisciplinary review to plan the safest possible approach. In the operating room, surgeons work under a microscope with neuronavigation, removing tumor tissue while preserving healthy brain around it. Most brain tumor operations take between 3 and 8 hours. Afterwards, patients recover in intensive care for close monitoring. Recovery unfolds in stages: a few days in hospital, weeks of rest and healing at home, then gradual return to daily life. Fatigue, headaches, and mood changes are common in the early weeks. Physical, speech, and occupational therapy support fuller recovery. Like any major operation, brain surgery carries risks including bleeding, infection, seizures, and temporary changes in speech or strength. After surgery, pathology confirms the exact tumor type. Radiation, chemotherapy, or targeted drugs may follow depending on the diagnosis. Did you know? You can get this treatment abroad at the same quality you'd get in the US or Europe for a fraction of the cost.
Ginger Healthcare is one of the world's most trusted medical travel companies. It helps patients to find safe and affordable care in India, Thailand, Turkey, Singapore, Dubai, Malaysia, and more. Visit ginger.healthcare or check the description for details.